We've been hoodwinked into the feeling that we exist only inside our skins. Our real body is not just what's inside the skin, but our whole total external environment. Because if we don't experience ourselves that way, we mistreat our environment. We treat it as an enemy. We try to beat it into submission. And if we do that, comes disaster. Your living organism in all its behavior, it's expressing it as a singer sings a song. If you become aware of that unknown self, the more you become aware of it, the more you realize that it is inseparably connected with everything else that there is.